Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your ruler units from inches to centimeters and otherwise. So how you can do that is by going and clicking on this button where you see resize. Let me zoom in. As you can see, if you click on resize, then just click on resize again, like right here. So click on that. Then you'll need to select on custom size. So click on the custom size, and right here you'll see units. As you can see, the units here, you'll need to change the units from pixels to inches, millimeters, or centimeters. So you can change that. And basically then you'll need to click on this button. It will generate a new page and your ruler will be in centimeters. If you want in inches, you'll need to select inches, and if you want to millimeters, just select millimeters, and basically everything will be the same, just units will be different. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.